Hi guys, so today I made chicken wings and potato. Let me show you how. So this is the chicken wings that I used. It is neatly washed and cut, so just dab with a kitchen towel to absorb the remaining water there. Then you start to spice. You spice with any spices of your choice. You can spice with whatever you have at home. So this is me spicing the chicken wings with my favorite spices. Okay, so after that you just like mix everything, the spices and the chicken wings. You so continue to mix until you can see that everything has married each other. So these are the veggies I used. This is already peeled and washed carrots. You just you see how I am slicing it. I'm using this shape. I just love how it used to come out in the food. Okay, so after the carrots, I slice the veggies, the green pepper, yellow and the red pepper, as you can see. And yeah, so this is the potato, the Irish potato that I used. So it is washed. I just peel it and I will rinse it as well. And yeah, so this is how everything is looking like: the potato, the carrots, the veggies, onions, pepper, garlic and ginger, fresh garlic and ginger as well. Everything is there and it is time to start cooking in a neat pot. This is vegetable oil that I just added. Then you so start dropping the chicken into the pan just to fry for a while. Okay, so drop all the chicken and fry on a medium heat. So the chicken is well fried now, and this is the Irish potato. This is the potato I just added into the chicken and water to cook. Okay, so mix everything together, the potato and the chicken, mix and cover. I add a pinch of salt though to cook with, then you cover and allow to cook. So this was after like 20 minutes of cooking on a low heat, and it is ready. So let's prep our veggies. In here I added vegetable oil, onions, and this is fresh ginger and garlic, mashed fresh ginger and garlic. You mix together, and it is time to add in pepper, fresh pepper as well. So mix again, and it is time to add in carrots. So add in carrots and mix. It just basically to fry all the veggies together, fry. You can add it directly like that, but I like to fry my veggies before adding into the food. So this is the green, yellow, and red bell pepper that I just added. So fry everything together and add a pinch of salt. Okay, mix, and yeah, it is ready. So it is time to add the fried veggies into the potato and chicken soup. So you can see how yummy it is looking already, yummy and delicious as well. Okay, so after this we are going to, this is corn flour for thickening. So add 2 spoons of corn flour into water and dissolve it. Then you add it into the soup, because without corn flour the food will just be looking watery. So you have something to thicken it, and what we are using is corn flour. You can see as I'm pouring it in. Then what you have to do now is to mix it until everything is well incorporated. Okay, so after that the food is ready. It doesn't take much of a time to make for me. You can see, just dish out and voila. If you have watched up to this moment, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.